Ever wonder why folks keep saying, Houston, we have liftoff? Well, it ain't just about rockets, though that's a big part of it. Houston, Texas, let me tell you, it's a whole other world down there. Culture, food, history, and enough to keep you busier than a one-armed man in a pie-eating contest. In this here video, we're gonna saddle up and take a ride through the heart of Houston. We're talking 10 must-see spots that'll make you want to trade in your cowboy boots for a pair of astronaut slippers. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to blast off on a Texas-sized adventure. First off, you can't go to Houston without paying your respects to the final frontier. Space Center Houston is the real deal, folks. It's where history was made and where the future of space exploration is being written every single day. You can walk through a replica of the space shuttle, touch moon rocks, and even meet a real-life astronaut. Trust me, it's enough to make a grown man feel like a kid again. And for all you folks who think you're braver than a bull rider, strap yourself into the astronaut training simulator and see if you have what it takes to hack it in zero gravity. Now, if you're like me, you love a good dose of history and science. Well, the Houston Museum of Natural Science is like a buffet for your brain. Dinosaurs, ancient Egypt, gems, and minerals that sparkle brighter than a Texas sunset, they got it all. And don't even get me started on the Cockrell Butterfly Center. It's like walking through a kaleidoscope, with thousands of butterflies flipping and fluttering all around you. Just watch where you step. Now hold your horses. The Houston Zoo ain't your grandma's petting zoo. We're talking over 6,000 animals from all corners of the globe. Lions, tigers, bears, oh my. And don't forget the elephants, giraffes, and gorillas. They even got a state-of-the-art aquarium where you can come face to fin with sharks and other sea creatures. It's a wild time for the whole family. Chapter 4. Alright, let's trade in our work boots for some fancy shoes and head over to the Museum of Fine Arts, Houston. This place is packed with masterpieces from all over the world. Paintings, sculptures, artifacts, you name it, they got it. And if you're feeling artsy yourself, they offer classes and workshops where you can unleash your inner Michelangelo. Just try not to get paint on the priceless Picassos. Chapter 5. Now, even a city slicker needs a little green space every now and then. Discovery Green is a 12-acre oasis right in the heart of downtown Houston. They got walking trails, dog parks, playgrounds for the little buckaroos, and even a lake where you can rent paddle boats. And the best part, it's free to enjoy. That's right, free as the Texas wind. Chapter 6. If you're looking for a little adventure, mosey on over to Buffalo Bayou Park. This 160-acre park follows the winding path of the Buffalo Bayou, and it's got something for everyone. Hiking trails, bike paths, kayaking, paddleboarding. You can even go horseback riding. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can try your hand at stand-up paddleboarding. Just try not to fall in. The bayou's got more critters than a swamp monster's birthday party. All right, sports fans, listen up. No trip to Houston is complete without catching a game at Minute Maid Park. Home of the Houston Astros, this ballpark is a sight to behold. And even if you ain't a diehard baseball fan, the atmosphere is electric. Plus, they got hot dogs, nachos, and enough beer to float a battleship. Just try not to spill any on your neighbor. Chapter 8. The Galleria Shop Till You Drop, Texas style. Now ladies, if you're looking for a little retail therapy, the Galleria is your happy place. We're talking over 400 stores, from high-end designers to your favorite department stores. Shoes, clothes, jewelry, gadgets, you name it, they got it. And fellas, don't worry. They got plenty of places for you to rest your weary feet and watch the game while the ladies shop till they drop. Chapter 9. Herman Park. A little bit of everything. Herman Park is like a greatest hits album of Houston attractions. We're talking a zoo, a natural science museum, a Japanese garden, a golf course, and even an outdoor theater. You could spend a whole week here and still not see it all. And the best part? It's just a stone's throw from downtown Houston. Chapter 10. Downtown Aquarium, fish are friends, not just food. Now, I know what you're thinking. An aquarium in Texas? But trust me on this one. The Downtown Aquarium is more than just a bunch of fish tanks. They got a 500,000-gallon shark tank, a Louisiana swamp exhibit, and even a white tiger exhibit. Plus, they got a restaurant where you can dine with the fishes. Just don't tell the kids what's in the fish sticks. Otro. So there you have it. Well, folks, there you have it. 10 must-visit places in Houston, Texas that'll make you want to trade in your cowboy boots for a pair of astronaut slippers. From space exploration to fine art, from shopping sprees to wildlife encounters, Houston has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your Stetson, and head on down to H-Town. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget to click on the link in the video description for some helpful travel tips and discounts. Happy trails!